Hey guys, welcome back. How are you all? Gonna do a quick back cover drop test on Realme X2 Pro. We have added a TPU case to the back cover as well, so it can protect the back cover a little bit. This roll is styled, but it has matte finish. Let's start with table height, which is around 2.5 feet. Oh, it sounded something. Let's do a quick screen test too. Maybe back cover drop can create issues on the front end too. Looks fine. Even the back cover looks okay. Good. Let's do 3 feet now. Screen looks fine. Oh no, I can see some damages to the back cover. Let's see how bad it is. One large crack on the hand side. Let's remove the TPU case and see if we can see further cracks. We remove the TPU case now. You can see it is shattered, not just a crack, near the volume bottom and bottom side. Let's do the 4 feet test now. Since it has damage on 3 feet, I think 4 feet will create more damage. Again, screen looks okay. The back cover has more damages in it. As you can see, it is damaged across the back cover. For more visibility, we will remove the TPU case again and show you. Have a look. You can clearly see it's shattered badly. Don't forget there was a TPU case on that while it happened. Let's do the 5 feet on a tile throw now. Wow, by the sound of it, it has a strong impact. Again, LCD looks okay, but the back cover has damage totally. It almost shattered the whole back cover. Let's remove the TPU case and see if there are further. Just more shattered. Screen looks okay. I think Realme X2 Pro back cover damaged very easily with little impact. So guys, you might need to buy a good back cover protection for the phone. See you all soon with another video. Please like, comment, and don't forget to share our videos and subscribe us. Thank you.